What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. This is a package from Adam, Project 681. The holidays are among us, and we generally like to give each other some gifts. You know, we're pretty good friends. So, we're going to take a look and see what all is in here. And, yeah. So, also make sure and check out Adam's channel before I forget. Project 681. Great content over there. So, let's go ahead. We are going to start off with a quick note, which I'd imagine is of no interest to you, so I'm going to set this aside right now and see what all we have in here. Alright, so first off, we've got some gloves, and, you know, I gotta tell you, I actually needed a pair of gloves kind of badly, and a face mask, actually. So, yeah, you can buy these off of IC's website. So, starting off with the face mask, just a very simple IC face mask. And then we've got like a little bag here to carry it around, or put it in, rather. So, this will definitely be used because, obviously, we need face masks. And that's a really simple design. I really like that. I also opened it up, and we didn't see it in there. But we have some hand sanitizer in here as well, which of course, again, in these times is very useful. And then the gloves, these are some nice gloves. And like I said, I've been needing a new pair of gloves. My hands like to get cold sometimes, and I have a pair of gloves just like this. So yeah, I will definitely 100% be using these probably pretty soon. And they're really comfortable too. So, like I said, you can buy those on IC's website. And, yeah, so let's see. Next thing up I see is this little, we'll go ahead and we'll shut this. We've got a little armored truck, which is modeled after a International 3800. So, yeah, cool. So, got one there. Got another matchbox right here. What is this? This is a 1965 Pal Sport pickup truck. I'm not sure if you could see it, but yeah, I really like that color on there too, that bright yellow. This thing is just a sharp-looking little Hot Wheel right there. So, cool. Let's see. Got one right here too. A Ford Interceptor. And where is this? El Segundo. Cool. And that's a really sharp... I like the paint job on that too, so... I don't think that I have a Ford Interceptor Matchbox yet, so, or Hot Wheel for that matter, so, cool. Let's see what's happening, guys. Freightliner M2 here. Obviously this is modeled after Freightliner M2, which is what the C2 is based off of. So we've got a little fire truck in there, so, yeah. Good thinking, Adam, good thinking. What is right here? We have got a 2000 Nissan Xterra, and this one has a trunk that opens. I don't think I've ever seen that on a Matchbox before. And if you watch The Office, I'm sure you understand that reference. Adam has recently gotten into The Office after me and Noah bugging him for a very long time. So, yeah, that's a good little reference. Let's see, we have a Road Bandit. I have a yellow version of this. I don't have this red version yet, so that is cool. And, yeah, I like the paint job on there, kind of like that little, I don't want to say rainbow, but, you know what I'm saying, so. Alright, right here we have got, let's see, you already know why I got the, it's a Tesla Model 3. And that is a inside joke. So, yeah, but a nice little Tesla. And I think I see one more. I see a couple others, but they're hidden below stuff. Thomas. Okay. Locomotoring. This is. That's something else. Alright, reaching around. Here's a little Bluebird pen / stylus right here. This might be yep, there's a pen right there. So, pen right here and a stylus on the other side. And I would imagine that you can get this off of Bluebird's website as well. So this is made out of plastic, and yeah, I can always use another pen. I much prefer writing in pen over pencil, so that will definitely be used. Let's see, right here, what is this thing? We've got a Transformers Grimlock minifigure. For those of you who don't know, Adam is a big Transformers person, and he has been telling me all about the Transformers and trying to get me into it. So, yeah, cool. Yeah, I'll have to take that out and look at it. So, all right, let's see. Right here, what do we have? Oh, we have a fudge round. For his birthday, I sent him 3 packs of these, and because he loves these, so that will definitely be eaten. I love snacks. Right here, we'll go ahead, we'll take a look at this bigger thing. Okay, so, quantum iced. Oh, God. Okay, so, obviously a a model of a QISD bus number 65, which does not exist, but we're always happy to model stuff after QISD. So this is a just a bus. I'm trying to remember what the other model name is, but I can't. Besides Thomas FS65, I'm trying to remember the other brand that made this, and I cannot remember for the life of me what it is. But yeah, so Quantum ISD 65, we've got a black hood on there. And yeah, and it is based off of Texas, as you can see right there, school bus, which is required on Texas spec to have school bus written on the side of the bus. All right, over here, we got some Thomas goodies, I see. What is this? This looks like this is a little flashlight. So this would go on a keychain or something. So let's see if we can't get this out right here. And let's see. Uh-oh. Maybe we got to take it apart and put some batteries in. But yeah, something again you can get off of the Thomas website. If it'll focus. And there it goes. So yeah, very cool. Nice little flashlight there. Always useful. And of course we had to go IC as well and get a IC flash drive. So how much is this? 2 gigs. Okay, and then I'm pretty positive you can still buy this off of IC's website based off of ACE. And yeah, this will 100% again be used because I am always in need of more storage. So yeah, this is a cool little flash drive. So let's see. Now we're getting into stuff that I couldn't really see up top. So we'll start over here with some DVDs. And yeah, so the Nicolas Cage collection, Face Off, Cage, Snake Eyes, and next. Let's see, we've got The Killing Joke. For those of you who don't know, I'm a huge comic book superhero nerd, and I love these characters, and especially Batman and the Joker. And I've heard this is a phenomenal animation, but I just haven't gotten around to watching it. Of course, the B movie, because memes, and Croczilla. What is this? I know when I'm going to have to share this with a friend, because I have a friend who is obsessed with Godzilla, and he is going to love that when I show him that. So, yeah. Let's see. Coming over here, we have got... And by the way, Adam, geez, how much stuff did you... Like, you did not need to send that much stuff. And there goes the B movie. Let's see. We've got a little Bluebird sticker here. I'd imagine you can buy that off of their website, too. Or you know what? I think someone on eBay was actually selling these. I think that's where you can get them, off of eBay. So... Alright, let's see. We have got a 1991 GMC Cyclone. Nice. Like that. And then the last one, let's see. 2019 Ford Ranger, and what's it say up here? What truck you should buy to replace your Tacoma? Adam has a little Ford Ranger, and for those of you who don't know, I have a Toyota Tacoma, and I often give him crap because my Tacoma is better than his Ranger, which it definitely is. So that's what that is. So. All right, right here we can see we have another bus, and again, another QISD bus. We can actually take this one out, and, yes, 681, of course. So, again, this is based off of Texas spec right there. We got the stop sign right there. And, yeah, drew the Bluebird logos on there, and, yeah, I'm trying to remember what brand this is. I don't remember my toy brands that well, so. But, yeah, another QISD bus to add to my fleet of actual QISD models at this point, so. And then last but not least, we have this thing, which I don't know what this is. We're going to move some stuff around here. Okay. It's a mug. I want to say it's from IC based off of the colors, and I think I've seen this on their website before. Is it from IC? Oh, no, this is from Thomas. This is nice. This is a nice little mug. I will definitely be... Wow, that's really nice. I like the contrast of colors on this, too, so... This is phenomenal. This is some really good stuff here. Like, I am blown away by this package, and compared to what I got him, mine is just nothing, zero, like, compared to his. So this is a whole lot of good stuff right here. All right, I just read Adam's letter, and he wanted to clarify that a lot of this stuff is for the meme. So, of course, we gotta, honor that. So, Adam, thank you so much. This is really too much stuff. Even if we didn't get to see each other this year, I do hope that we are able to see each other soon. And I hope that you guys are going to go and see him on his channel, Project 681. Make sure and go give him a thumbs up on some videos and subscribe to his channel. Really a great friend of the channel. Amazing content, and just an amazing friend. So yeah, guys, that is gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe down below. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner CE2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it. I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or the mug is going to break unexpectedly. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy in a random street. I don't care. Don't let anything happen to you. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. And thanks for watching.